So this soup is a game changer and it's also good to burn belly fat. If you want to learn how to make this soup, keep watching. So I'm going to bring this chicken broth to a boil because it has been frozen up for some days now. I'm just going to bring that to a boil and I'm going to be adding my vegetable broth into the chicken broth. Basically, this is the liquid we're going to be using to make this delicious soup, and I'm going to go ahead to be adding the vegetables at once. You want them to cook at the same time. So just as I'm saying, you want them to all cook at the same time. And I also went ahead to add the cabbage and the onion, and this is black Cameroon pepper. This is what we call it in Nigeria, Lagos. It's black pepper and it's very spicy compared to the red ones. So I kind of like my cabbage soup a little bit spicy. I love pepper, and if you don't have black pepper, of course you can use the red atarodo. It works perfectly fine too. So I'm just going to stir it up and try to mix everything together and let it come to a boil for like 4 minutes. And this is what it looks like now. So I'm just going to go ahead to add the seasoning cube. I'm going to be using one. The reason why is because the chicken broth already contains seasoning, so you don't want to go ahead and put so much seasoning into your soup. So just taste it so you can be able to compare how much more you need. I also went ahead to add salt to taste, and I still went ahead to add extra pepper, of course. This is my already boiled and fried chicken. You can use boiled chicken or whatever, if it's grilled or roasted chicken, whatever one suits you is perfectly fine. And if you don't want to add the chicken while you're making the soup, is also fine. So I'm just going to stir it and get them to mix properly. See guys, like I said, I still went ahead to add black pepper because I love my spicy. Please try and be moderate, choose what's better for you, and please don't make it too spicy. It's not pepper soup. So to make this vegetable this cabbage soup, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make if your chicken is already cooked, but adding the chicken, of course, it's going to take a longer time. And basically it just takes 10 to 15 minutes, and if you see that your water is not enough and you want to add more water, please do. One thing I love cabbage soup for is that it's a healthier replacement for stew. You know how much our Nigerian stew contains oil and all the whole tomato. If you're trying to cut down on your weight, on your calories, cabbage is going to help you. This cabbage soup is going to help you. It's high in nutrition, and then it also helps you to lose weight. And this is what it looks like at the end trust me, this food is delicious. You should try it. And if you're trying to lose weight, please try and as much as possible to cut down in your rice portion so that it will be very effective.